is Rolandas. Today I'm going to do business intelligence and data warehousing 2 presentation. I'm going to start off with where I got my data sets. The first one was from the World Bank, and the second one was from Mayor. Let's have a look at the data sets. Here we go, the World Bank and Mayor data sets. So we have here the World Bank, where we have a country code, a lot of different values, and a year for every different value from 1960 to 2014. Next data set, we have a country code, country, language, and continent. Now tables. Let's have a look at my AER model. Here we have in the center the dimensional table and then 2 factual tables. And let's connect to the database. Here we have a test database, 3 tables, a lot of testing as you can see, and we have a warehouse database with same tables. Let's go now through the scripts. As you can see, we have here 3 scripts. Let's have a look at them. So what do we have here? We have a connection to the database, to the warehouse. Print out if it was successful, then we have a data set which we loading into the memory, and then we're reading the data, the fields, different fields, which is country code, country, language, continent, and then we insert them into the country table accordingly. And here we have a printout of this table to see if it was successful. Next script. We have same connections database, loading the data set into memory, and then what we have here is they're looking for this certain value filtering, which is the large city population. We're selecting from 1960s to 2014 and inserting into population table, and these are the values. And then we have another loop where we're selecting different values and updating same table with the condition where it has the same year and the country code. Then we have another value and another one. And here we have again printout of this table just to see if everything was successful. The last script, same again, connection to database, loading dataset, and then looking for this value, which is the life expectancy, and putting into different table life expectancy, where we have ID, your country code, and life expectancy. And here at the end again we have a printout of that table to see if everything was successful. So let's do some ETL. Just want to show you that I want to use the test tables mainly because I'm gonna use the test scripts. The difference between these scripts and these scripts have 50 years data, and these I have only 2 years data. The reason is that the 50 years data would run for about half an hour. Alright, so we're gonna run this BT, which is these scripts. Here we go. So now we're running the first script, looking for dimensional table. It just loaded everything into that. Now we're running the second script, doing the insert and update at the same time. Hopefully it won't take too long. We're now at N letter O and P. Should be finished soon enough. Okay, second script is finished, and now we're going to the final script for the life expectancy. And that's it. Print out, everything was successful. So here it is, my ETL process, fully automated. You can have this batch file running on Windows schedule and set up at certain time, and you don't even need human interference with the with this fully automated ETL process. So now let's have a look. As you see all the data there. Now let's go to Ubique. This is the interface that I was using for my data visualizations. As you can see here, I already have some tables created. I just would like to show you how easy it is to use this one. Right, so what you do is, let's say you want to see the continent and life expectancy. It tells you that these are two different tables, so you need to create a join. You select the first one, which is countries, and the second one, life expectancy, and then country code. We're going to be joining with. Alright, and here you go. You can actually select here for different ones. We go for the average, and then we select the chart. Here we are. You can just show the data. You can see how easy it is to do charts with this the software or this interface ubic.co. Okay, we're gonna cancel this and we're gonna go to my already created diagrams. So here I have a diagram where I looking for a life expectancy by different languages. So as you can see, Alemannic, this one is the average life expectancy. The biggest, is it? No, actually Japanese. Then we have the 51, which is very low, I would say. For Sango. Then I have what I want to show you, that you can actually go in and edit the chart. You can see a bit more clear here. Cancel. Go in again. Okay, the next one. There is population by continent. So in 2014, as you can see, Asia is 64, Europe 11, Africa 10, North America 10, and I have another one which I'm just would like to compare. Same data, just for 1964. So as you can see, Asia here 59, where here it was 64. Europe here used to be 20%, and now it's only 11. Big changes. North America used to be 9, and now just 8. In Africa is now 10, and used to be 6. So these continents growing pretty quickly, where Europe looks like it's shrinking. What do we have here? We have life expectancy by continent. So interesting enough, Australia has the longest life expectancy. Europe is second, and there is no surprise that Africa is the last, meaning poverty and everything. Next we have life expectation top 10 by language. Should be interesting. Probably no surprise that Japanese live the longest, eating healthy and everything. Alemic, and then the last one in top 10 is English. Next one is life expectancy by language, bottom 10. So the last one, the shortest is Songo, Yoruba, Shona. Most of them are okay. What do we have here? Population by language in 1964. So we have here Mandarin, Hindi, English, Spanish, Russian, Japanese, and we have here same one in 2014. So let's have a look. How did it change? Okay, so it used to be 32, now it's 29. Hindi used to be 22, and now 27. English used to be 12, now only 9. Looks like it's shrinking. Spanish 8, now 8.7. Russia used to be 6 and now it's only 3.5. So here it is. That's I'm gonna finish my presentation here. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much.